Welcome to Automate World, where innovation meets the road. Today, we're diving deep into the future of luxury electric performance, the 2026 Tesla Model X Plaid. Tesla has once again redefined what an SUV can be, blending insane power, futuristic technology, and cutting-edge design into a single package that looks like it's been sent from the year 2030. So, buckle up, because this isn't just another car review. This is a glimpse into the evolution of automotive engineering. The 2026 Tesla Model X Plaid is not just an SUV. It's a technological masterpiece designed to challenge the limits of performance, comfort, and sustainability. Tesla has taken everything people loved about the previous Model X and turned it up several notches. From its acceleration to its software intelligence, everything about this vehicle screams advancement. The name Plaid itself represents Tesla's highest performance level, indicating that this car is engineered to dominate roads while staying true to the company's zero-emission mission. Visually, the exterior design of the 2026 Model X Plaid has been refined to achieve a perfect balance between aerodynamics and elegance. The front fascia is sleeker, with a reshaped bumper and redesigned LED matrix headlights that not only enhance visibility but also give the car a more aggressive stance. The flowing roofline and sculpted sides create a futuristic silhouette that reduces drag and improves efficiency. The iconic Falcon wing doors remain a standout feature, instantly recognizable and engineered for practicality in tight spaces. Tesla has improved their opening mechanism for faster, smoother, and more precise movement, making them both functional and spectacular. Moving to the rear, the full-width LED taillight bar stretches elegantly across the tailgate, giving it a distinct futuristic identity at night. The 20-inch aero wheels are designed not just for looks, but also for performance and range optimization. Every design element has a purpose, whether it's to cut wind resistance, improve battery life, or make a statement. The 2026 Model X Plaid looks powerful, and it truly is. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the floor, the Model X Plaid is powered by Tesla's new tri-motor all-wheel drive system, delivering an astonishing 1,020 horsepower. It's capable of launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 2.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs on the planet. The instant torque from the electric motors ensures that power is available the moment you touch the accelerator. It's not just speed, it's the smooth, controlled, and silent surge that defines Tesla's driving experience. The top speed is electronically capped at around 170 miles per hour, and despite the immense power, the range remains impressive, reaching up to 360 miles on a full charge. Tesla's battery technology has evolved significantly, offering faster charging times and better energy management. With Tesla's supercharger V4 network, you can gain up to 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes. This makes long-distance travel more practical than ever. The vehicle also supports bidirectional charging, allowing it to power your home or other devices during emergencies, a feature that truly highlights Tesla's forward-thinking engineering. Inside, the 2026 Model X Plaid is like stepping into a spacecraft. The minimalist interior layout is dominated by a massive 17-inch central touchscreen, floating seamlessly in the center console. This display controls nearly every aspect of the car, from navigation and media to suspension and climate settings. The graphics are crisp, the response is instant, and the new Tesla OS 12 interface brings enhanced customization options. The yoke-style steering has been improved with better haptic feedback, while a traditional steering option is also available for those who prefer a classic touch. Tesla has introduced an upgraded sound system for the Model X Plaid, featuring 22 speakers with active noise cancellation. The cabin becomes a private concert hall, where every note feels alive and immersive. The acoustic glass further isolates outside noise, allowing passengers to experience a serene environment even at high speeds. The panoramic windshield, stretching above your head, gives the feeling of flying rather than driving, enhancing the sense of space and openness inside the vehicle. The rear passengers aren't left behind either. There's a secondary display for entertainment, gaming, or controlling rear climate settings. With Tesla's onboard processing power, you can stream, play high-end games, or even video call directly from the vehicle. The ventilated and heated seats, customizable ambient lighting, and improved materials elevate luxury to new heights. Every inch of the cabin feels premium and intelligently designed. When it comes to performance, Tesla's adaptive air suspension system ensures a smooth and balanced ride regardless of terrain. It automatically adjusts height and stiffness based on driving conditions and speed. The low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, provides superb handling that rivals many sports cars. The regenerative braking system has been tuned for a more natural feel, allowing for one-pedal driving in most conditions. Safety remains one of Tesla's strongest pillars. The 2026 Model X Plaid comes equipped with Tesla's latest Autopilot and full self-driving capabilities. It uses an array of cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and a high-performance onboard computer to assist with lane changes, navigation on highways, parking, and even traffic light recognition. The vehicle constantly updates itself via over-the-air software updates, meaning it only gets smarter and safer over time. As for pricing, the 2026 Tesla Model X Plaid starts around $125,000, depending on configuration and options. While that may sound steep when you factor in its performance, technology, and zero maintenance costs, it becomes clear that Tesla is offering exceptional value for what could be considered the most advanced SUV in the world. The main selling point isn't just its speed or luxury, it's the experience. Driving the Model X Plaid feels like commanding the future, where sustainability meets thrill without compromise. In essence, the 2026 Tesla Model X Plaid isn't just a car, it's a statement of progress. It embodies Tesla's vision of a future where electric vehicles dominate not just by being eco-friendly, but by outperforming every gas-powered competitor. It's fast, it's smart, it's efficient, and it's beautiful. This is what the future of driving looks like: sleek, silent, and utterly electrifying. Thank you for watching Automate World. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Tesla Model X Plaid, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more futuristic car reviews, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. The road to the future is electric, and Tesla is leading the way. See you in the next video only on Automate World.